Hello, this is Michael Mangelli from MarineMax in Sarasota. I'm standing aboard our new trade. It's a 2016 330 Sundancer from Sea Ray. And as you can see, this boat is very lightly used. Only 80 hours on twin 8.2s, Mercruisers, joystick controlled boat. Beautifully laid out here. You can see the fold down bench seat here aft. It's great for entertaining while you're anchored out or just sitting on the boat at dock. As you can see, great seating here. Upholstery's in great shape as it's very lightly used, only 80 hours on this boat. Spot for a table right here. Great storage underneath. Great spot for dock lines and fenders. As you can see, the boat is carpeted. So you've got carpet here. Again, very lightly used, so it's in great shape. Over here on the port side, you've got your entertainment center, so to speak. So you've got freshwater sink, trash can, you've got a grill, very lightly used again, and your refrigerator, which is here. Moving forward, plenty of cup holders, a lot of space here for entertaining. Twin companion seats, so at the helm, you've also got twin bolsters, so your companion or your guest can sit here standing up or seated as well. As you can see, component-wise here at the helm, we've got Raymarine, Mercruiser vessel view, joystick control, again, twin engine boat, so you've got the skyhook feature as well. Beautifully laid out Raymarine, VHF radio, and spotlight at the bow, remote controlled. Steps, 2 steps as you walk forward to the bow, where there's some cushioned backrest as well. Now we'll take a step into the cabin. All right, here we are inside the 2016 330 Sundancer we have available here in Sarasota. As you can see, forward here is the V-berth at the basically bow of the boat. Very comfortable, windows on both sides, skylight which you can close up, privacy curtain, so if you want to separate yourself from anybody else you have here in the cabin, you can do so. Beautifully well set up galley here, microwave, 2-spot hot top, fridge, and plenty of cabinetry here for storage as well. As you see here on the starboard side, again, more cabinetry. This is the cherry interior. You've got nice layup here for seating area, which can pull out and convert to another bed if need be. Table will go here, which is back here aft, where we've got the table, some of the bow stuff. Right now, the bow seating, the cushions are stored back here right now, but if you keep that area clean, it is a nice seating area and an additional sleeping area with privacy curtain. Over here, got the bathroom. Walk in, walk through head with shower and freshwater sink. So this is a brief walkthrough of our lightly used 2016 330 Sundancer here in Sarasota. If you have interest in this boat or any other boat, please contact us at 941-388-4411.